So the reason why you are not getting results in your weight loss journey is because you are not taking care of these important factors while you are working out. So yes, I'm going to give you 5 important factors that you should take care while you are doing your workout session to get the best possible results when it comes to your weight loss journey and your transformation results. So yes, this is Samya, you're watching Global Tales. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about all these important things that you have to take care in mind while you are working out so that you get the best possible results in your journey. So yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along to never miss any update from my channel. Let's get started. Before heading towards the video, here is something that Mamaearth has recently sent me. It is a Aqua Glow range of products which is focused on hydration of the skin. So basically this Aqua Glow range has natural skin hydration solution because it has Himalayan spring water. Himalayan spring water is considered to be a miraculous potion for skin by people bathing in spring waters for healing and skin direction. And so here is 3-step process. It's Aqua face wash, then face serum, and then Aqua gel glow moisturizer. So basically it will keep your skin naturally hydrated for up to 72 hours by penetrating deep into the skin. It promotes the skin cell turnover. The minerals in this thermal water appears to have antioxidant properties which helps in reversing the UV damage. This Aqua Gel Moisturizer is amazing in consistency. It's really light on your skin and helps your skin stay hydrated for a longer period of time, because I face this issue of dehydration of my skin because I work out a lot. So this really helps me. I recommend Mamaearth products because they're 100% natural and chemical free, and because of their plant goodness initiative, every time you buy from them, Mamaearth will link your order on the website, and they aim to plant about 1 million trees by 2025. That's amazing. Also, they have their own app that has launched on both iOS and Android. The links would be there in my description, and you all know that you can get about 20% off by using my code GLOW2021. You can find the link in my description. Use this code on mamaearth.in, and all the products are available on Amazon, Nykaa and mamaearth.in. The first and very important point is the time of the workout and when you should work out. I get this question a lot of times. You are really confused about when to work out, morning or evening. When will we get better results? We are not able to wake up in morning, and will we not get the results in our weight loss journey? This is a very common question. So yes, today I'm going to answer this question. Consistency is the key. Many people who are working out in morning get the same results as who are working out in the evening. The reason and the real key behind success is consistency and not the time. People who are not comfortable waking up in morning, when they try to do it for 2 or 3 days, they actually fail after the 4th day because they are not morning people. So focus on developing a habit, focus on developing a routine for yourself, be it morning or evening, it doesn't matter. If you're not a morning person, then go for evening workout. If you are a morning person, then go for it, and don't worry about the time that much. It will give the same effect as you are working out in morning or evening. The only important thing that you have to take care is the consistency and regularity and the flexibility. Make sure that your workout routine is very flexible with the time. Next very important point is the temperature you are working out in. Some people think that when they work out in a hot vicinity, they sweat more, and as a result they burn more calories. Your sweating has nothing to do with the amount of calories you burn. If you don't sweat that much, it doesn't mean that you're burning less calories, or if you sweat more, it doesn't mean that you're burning more calories. You have to know that sweating is just the measure of your sweat glands and nothing to do with the amount of calories you burn. So the temperature outside should be more comfortable, should be ambient for you to work out, so that you can work out for a longer period of time. It does not have to do anything about the more sweat or the hot, or some people who work out without their ACs on, or they work out in close vicinity so that they sweat more. This is not the ideal way to work out. Just make sure that the temperature you're working out in should be comfortable. You should work out for a longer period of time. It should be very sustainable. So yes, ambient and a comfortable temperature is good to go when you're working. Point number 3, the gap between the meal and the workout session. Now for example, if you're going for a strength training session or some weight training session, then you have to consume good amount of protein before workout and after workout. That's very important. If you're going for some cardio activity, you should have high carb pre-workout meal so that you can do it for a longer period of time. So these are some important tips that should be taken care in mind. I have a detailed video on pre and post workout snack that you should definitely check out, that you have to maintain a gap of at least 40 minutes before your workout and after your workout, between anything that you consume, and make sure that when you're going for resistance training or weight training, you consume some high protein snack before and after your workout. And if you're going with some cardio
also, you can use my code GLOWGIRL to get flat 30% off. There is an amazing sale that's going on.
Boost metabolism. Next important point, and a very common question that we get, should we wear shoes while working out? Yes, it's very important. Investing in good quality shoes and a comfortable workout wear is very, very important, so that nothing can limit you while you are working out. If you don't wear comfortable shoes while you're working out, when you will jump, after a period of time, you will feel pain in your shin bones, in your toes. So you have to make sure that you wear comfortable quality, lightweight shoes while you are working out, because when you jump, your weight can be taken care of by your shoes. And when you are working out, the clothes should be very comfortable. If you're wearing very loose clothes, it will actually come between your exercises. If you're wearing too much tight of it, then you will not be able to work out, stretch properly. So you have to take care of proper workout clothes, comfortable workout clothes while you're working out, and comfortable shoes as well, because nothing can limit you, nothing should limit you while you're working out, so that you can get sustainable results. You can work out for a longer period. Last but not the least, very, very important thing that I feel my students face, that they feel pukish while they're working out in the beginning of their workout sessions, or when they begin with any plan. It is because they consume either lots of water while they're working out, or either they consume no water while they're working out. So there has a balance, and there's a key where you have to maintain that water balance or H2O balance in your body, and that comes with you sips of water every 3 to 4 minutes of your session, so that you can actually have a longer period of workout and remain hydrated throughout the session as well, and you don't feel pukish because you have not consumed lots of H2O that you usually do, and there is no lactic acid formation, and as a result you can do workout for a longer period of time without feeling this dizziness, nausea and pukish feeling. So yes, these are 5 important points that you have to take care of while you are working out, so that you can get the best possible results. Some of you might not get the results because you're not taking care of these important facts, and you're not able to work out for a longer period of time just because these factors limit you. So yes, I hope you will find this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon along, and never miss any update by pressing the bell icon. And yes, bye bye, stay fit, stay happy. I really love you all. Take care, stay fit, stay happy. Bye bye.